In this video, I will show you how to remove password from Windows 10. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comments down below. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my desktop. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom left-hand corner and click onto the Windows icon. From here, what you're going to want to do is click onto this gear icon to open up your settings. Then what you want to do is go ahead and locate accounts, which you can see is just here. Go ahead and give that a click. That's going to take you across to a screen like this. So to go ahead and change your password, if you look to this menu on the left hand side, you can see a option which says sign in options. So just go ahead and give that a click. As you can see, we're now on a screen which says sign in options, manage how you sign in to your device. So currently this account has got a password set up. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and click onto password. Now all you need to do once you've clicked onto this is go ahead and click the change button down here. Then just go ahead and enter your current password and then click next at the bottom. So next it's going to ask you for a new password. To confirm your password and put a password hint. Now these boxes you just want to leave blank and then click next at the bottom. As you can see, it now says under my profile local account. So all we need to do now is go ahead and click finish to apply the changes. And what's going to happen, that's now going to remove the password, because you can see now instead of saying change on the password section, it now says add, which means there's no password set up for the account. So that's how to remove password from Windows 10. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.